2011 Kia Optima. Look at that, it's got like nice wheels on it, lowered. It came in with no mufflers, nothing on it. So what we did for it, put a high flow cat there. Then it's got a resonator, aftermarket resonator, stock mid pipe 2.5. And what we did a custom Y pipe setup. Let me show it to you guys this way. Right there, as you guys can see, custom Y pipe, custom tailpipes out the back 2.25, and then 4-inch roll tips out the back there and right there. There it is, all the way back. As you guys can see, a Kia Optima SX T-GDI. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it, and like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. Quieter. Was quieter. At idle, it's quieter. Wow, it's so loud. Your sound decibels again. 110. Again. Give it gas. Back it up. His mom brought it in because he cut the mufflers off, so she straight piped it. That's a good mom right there. Kept it loud for him. I think it still sounds really nice. I like it. Let you guys hear on the inside.